Welcome to episode 2 of my toddler meal series, where I share a breakfast, lunch, and snack that my toddler loves, specifically high calcium and fiber foods to help with bone growth and digestion. This week we're focusing on fiber. For breakfast, I added a chia, flax, and hemp blend to her oatmeal. This helps with fiber and feeding her good gut bacteria. The recipe for this is in the caption. For lunch, I added beans into her quesadilla. Normally I serve them on the side, but lately she hasn't been touching them, so I thought we'd sneak them in this way, and it worked. Pairing it with corn and avocado for even more fiber. For her snack, we added that same chia, flax, and hemp blend to her energy balls, which already pack a ton of fiber from the dates. She loves these. The recipe for this one's on my page. Check it out.